Hello everyone. So today my staff meal. So I wanna eat Tukemen. Tukemen is the noodles which are very popular with ramen. Shabu shabu Tukemen. Thin sliced pork. This one's made shabu shabu, kind of like shabu shabu, and miso flavored. In here, just dip it in noodle, then eat. Okay, it's my original recipe today. So I wanna eat Tukemen today using kombu, and this one is a dashi pack, just into the Kongo kezuri bushi. It's not the katsuo bushi, so I'm always show you this one. It's Kongo kezuri bushi. Katsuo bushi is made from bonito, but this one is made from mackerel. A different taste, but I recommend. So this one, Kongo kezuri bushi. So I'm just packed about 30 gram in dashi pack here. Okay, and then I use hot chili pepper and one of the garlic, two slice of ginger, and long leaf like this, and earring mushroom, enoki mushroom. This one is a mitsuba. So this one is a kind of decoration. So always in my kitchen. So this one is a Tukemen noodle, but you can use any kind, regular ramen. So you can use it. So fat one, thin one. This one is looks real fat one. So I love it. And I have to thin sliced pork, butabara, thin sliced pork. This one about 180 grams butabara. So you can use the chicken, thin sliced chicken or thin sliced beef. Yeah, you can use it. I'm gonna use miso. I'm just measured miso right now, 40 grams, but depends on tasting. So added or less. Usually using like 40 grams I measure. Then use a shiro dashi, my favorite. This is a very important my main item. So good flavor. Also, I'm just using the sake a little bit, and if you want more rich flavor, the secret spice, nampra. It's a secret spice. Okay, I'm just using a little bit. Okay, let's start cooking. Make a basic broth, dashi. So this is 500 cc water, and kombu in. Then turn on the switch. High flame. Okay, boiling now. Just put in the dashi pack. Kongo kezuri bushi. Here. And pick up kombu. Just wait. So now I'm just into hot chili pepper, half cut of garlic, and 2 slices of ginger root. Just in. Okay, took a dashi pack. And thin sliced pork. Okay. And mushrooms. High flame always. So 40 gram miso. Mixed up. So Tukemen base is many different kind of taste. one of shoyu base, this one is miso base, or tonkotsu base, a flavor from pork bone, and another many original flavor. So each Tukemen shop has a different kind of taste, flavored dipping sauce. So today I'm gonna make my original method, miso base dipping soup, dipping broth. So a little bit shiro dashi, white soy sauce, just a little bit, about 10 cc maybe. I didn't measure. And sake, little bit, about 10 cc. So let me try taste. Okay, in this color. Good flavor, but I need more rich taste. Secret seasoning, nampra. Like this. Yummy! But Tukemen dipping soup is, I recommend more rich flavor, rich taste. So I'm gonna little bit add more miso paste. Almost finished. I'm just add miso paste. Totally about maybe 20 grams. Like this. So Tukemen base have to need rich taste. Okay, try to taste a little bit. So good. It's done. Noodle pot. Okay, so I love al dente. This noodle is a little bit fat. Takes about maybe 4 minutes. Ready? I'm just put on mitsu value like this. Okay, noodle is ready. I have to cooling down. Yes. So Tukemen noodle is usually serving cold noodle, but depends on situation. So your favor serving hot noodle in dip in the hot sauce. So you have to cut off the water like this. Okay. And like this. Okay, let's start it. Today's my staff meal. Shabu shabu Tukemen miso flavor. Tukemen is serving like this kind style. It's separate. It's noodle and dipping sauce. This one. Usually serving this soup is hot, and this one is cold. So let's try to eat. Okay. How about this? Some miso flavor. I made it. Okay. Oh, rich taste. That's what I want. So, like this. Tukemen. Noodle. Just dip in. And a little bit soaking this up. Soup. Then, eat. Tukemen. いただきます。 So good. Nice al dente texture noodle and this miso flavored shabu shabu soup is so melting in this noodle. So tasty. Yummy. Thin sliced pork, so delicious. Also, I need a little hot taste, steamy, like this, little bit, and Tukemen again. Change the taste a little bit. Hot flavor on this. Delicious. So Tukemen is very popular food in Japan. So you better try it. You can make so easy. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. See you again in my kitchen next time. Bye.